All right, happy Friday. Now, I can honestly say that this box is getting lighter.
Yeah, we're halfway through now.
We are literally
Day
halfway.
12.
Day 12, we are halfway through. I know, it seems like we've been drinking a lot of wine. This is
12 days in a row is kind of a lot, you know, like having, I mean, I know it's only 2 glasses, but still, like every single day we're trying a different wine, a new wine.
This has been like a really excellent curated box.
Yeah.
Where, you know, even things that you were like, not really my thing, it turned out to be like the Chardonnay. That was a home run.
Yeah, kind of surprises us.
Yeah.
Surprises you. But that's the whole point.
So
you find something, you know, that you never knew you liked, or maybe you do like it and you didn't know. Or...
Well, yeah, that's the fun part of this whole journey. So I said white, you said red.
I say 3 reds in a row.
Okay. Well, I'll let you do the honors of opening.
Watch it be a damn rosé this time. And I'm gonna be
upset.
All right. Day 12. You can see first. I can't see it.
White.
Ooh, okay. It's a white. Oh, look. All right. Oh, from Greece.
Oh, no way.
Oh, I'm excited. We just went to Greece for the first time this past year. So this is really interesting. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. White blend.
Oh, awesome.
I'm really excited about this wine.
Oh my gosh.
It's getting more exciting, I feel like, as it goes on.
As we go on, yeah. So we have blue Seirína, maybe. White blend from Greece. Wow.
So before we went to Greece this year, so we went to Greece in June. We went to the island of Rhodes. I had never tried a Greek wine before.
Neither have I, obviously.
So, yeah. We tried a couple different Greek wines. That's all they served in their restaurants. They really didn't. We thought that they were going to have a lot of imported wines from Italy and different places, but they really didn't. They really only served Greek wine, which was cool because they're supporting like their own, you know, country and economy and everything. So I thought that was really interesting. And they were all blends.
Right. But I wonder, like, if this is so. Greece is like the mainland is huge, and then you have a ton of different island chains that are like
over 100, right?
Yeah, and like there's different islands that have different things, and a lot of the wines that we drank in Greece were wines that were produced on the island that we were staying on.
Yeah.
So I wonder if it will give us actual like, oh, this was made in Athens, or this was made in, like, I wonder if it'll tell us what parts of Greece it was made in. So I'm sure it will, which will be kind of interesting to see. Do you want to hand me the bottle opener and we'll get this open?
There you go, sir.
Thank you. Very exciting.
Yeah.
What do you think it's going to taste? Sweet, or is it going to be like dry? Or because I feel like we had one that was a couple of whites that were sweet, a couple that were dry.
We did. We had some different types of like white wines. They were all blends, but there was one we didn't really care for. I feel like it was very
overly sweet.
Overly sweet, almost like a Moscato sweet.
Yeah.
Then there was like another one that was really like nice. We drank that by the pool. It was like perfect.
All right. Stop.
Is it open?
Stop. It's rude.
That's funny.
No.
Gonna do a cutscene to me.
She's sleeping. She said I took too long to pour the wine.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
All right. So
I think this is gonna be citrusy, acidic, dry.
Dry.
Yeah.
Room temperature.
Like Pinot Grigio mixed with a Sauvignon Blanc vibe.
Okay. Wouldn't be mad at it, to be honest with you.
Forget the name of the one we had in Greece.
No, I don't remember it. Blue Seirína, white blend from Greece. I wonder. I'm interested to see what it smells like, what it tastes like.
That's what I thought it would smell like.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a little bit of like Sauvignon Blanc vibes. So citrus, certainly. Maybe even like heavy citrus, I would argue. It does smell like a Sauvignon Blanc to me, like a New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc.
Citrusy, grapefruit.
Yeah.
Lemons.
Stone, maybe a little bit of stone fruit in there? No?
It smells straight acid.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna taste like a Sauvignon Blanc, I think. Okay, cheers.
Cheers to room temperature white.
Room temperature white wines from Greece.
Huh.
Not what I thought.
That's not what it's sweet.
It is sweet. As soon as it hit my mouth, it's sweet. It's almost like a,
Interesting.
oh, there's a wine that I'm thinking of that I don't know.
Is it white Zinfandel?
I don't know. It's very like sweeter than I thought it was going to be.
Not as sweet as a Moscato, but
Right.
sweeter. It smells super citrusy.
It does.
And I thought it was going to be very acidic and like tart and like, but it's really not. It's really sweeter.
I mean, there's still like undertones of citrus. So like, it's not an abrasive like grapefruit citrus. It's maybe like a mellow lime, lemon, lime, back end, sweeter up front though.
Mm-hmm. Like honey.
Yeah.
Honey lemons.
Honey and lemon.
Sugar coated lemons.
It's almost like if you were to drink like a lemon tea almost. Like it has like that vibe to it with honey in it.
I like it.
Interesting. Yeah. No, this is maybe not my favorite because again, I don't lean towards sweet. Not saying that it's not a bad wine.
Mm-hmm.
Sweeter. Not my like, not horrible. Just very interesting. So this Greek white wine greets the nose with vibrant aromas of ripe citrus fruit. We did okay on that. On the palate, it offers a fresh and fruity profile, enriched with notes of ripe yellow fruits and silky, creamy texture.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say I was getting like maybe buttery Chardonnay vibes, but like probably
not quite.
not.
Yeah,
not
like
quite.
silkier, like creamy, honey, like
melon maybe, like a melon.
maybe, yeah, like a cantaloupe.
Honeydew or
cantaloupe. Yeah.
The wine concludes with a smooth, soft finish supported by a dense, well-rounded structure that adds depth and balance.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so white wine from Greece. It is a 2024 product of Greece. It doesn't tell us where, when, why.
So probably the mainland.
Yeah. Yeah. Interesting. You want to scan this?
I can, sure. Let's see what else it'll tell us.
See what else it says.
So, I pulled it up.
Yeah.
This is interesting. Greek winemaking dates back over 4,000 years, with white wine production being a significant part of its heritage. Ancient Greek texts, including those by Homer. Okay.
Homer's Odyssey.
Mention the production and export of white wines in regions like Crete, Rhodes, and Santorini.
Oh, okay.
These early wines were often blends of indigenous grapes, created to achieve balanced flavors and aromas. Over the century, Greek winemakers continue to refine their blending techniques, incorporating both local and international grape varieties. In modern times, white blends from Greece have gained recognition for their vibrant acidity, aromas, and complexity, and ability to reflect the unique terroir of the region. Today, the wines are celebrated for their diversity and quality, offering a taste of Greece's rich winemaking history. Greek salads, Mediterranean cuisine, poultry, cheese, and seafood.
Okay, that makes sense. That's very heavily Greek. There's
Greek, big Greek diet.
Well, yeah, I mean, we had so much fresh produce and seafood and like all the different things that like
calamari.
Makes my mouth water thinking about it. So, but yeah, no, this wine it's good. I wonder. So I'm tasting the citrus in the background. I feel like if it was cold, you might get that like refreshing pop of citrus and not just have it be so muted because I feel like it's being, room temperature white again. You don't know. I don't know if you're tasting all the levels of flavor that they want you to taste with this wine. So another one to throw in the fridge to see what it tastes like later.
Definitely.
Because after having Greek white wine, I felt like I almost remembered what the name of it was called. Like it's on the tip of my tongue right now. I'm gonna try to remember.
I have a picture of it.
Yeah. Okay. We'll let you know. We'll keep you posted. But no yawning. No yawning.
You're burping.
And I'm trying to like.
I think this wine is really great. Again, going back to that other, what was the sangria? The sangria we had?
Yeah.
Was that what it was? The white sangria.
Day 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know you didn't enjoy it, but also not everyone likes dry wine. This is a nice medium sweet, not overly sweet like candy, but
I don't think this is even close to as sweet as the sangria was.
no, and I think it's balanced nicely with the acidity, so I think it's a nice wine. I think it's approachable. Yeah.
We need a sheet of paper to write on. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. I'm rating this wine the way that I like it.
Okay.
So.
Don't listen to my drawings. That was a quick rating, which means it's only a single-digit number.
All right.
1, 2, 3. You looked at it.
I didn't look at it. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So.
I'm always slightly higher than you, but
6 is good for for the sweetness level that it has. A 6 is actually a high rating for me.
yeah, I feel like, what did you rate the sangria for?
I don't remember.
It was low.
That was 10 days ago. 10 days and a lot of wine.
I forgot what I did yesterday.
So I think it's good. I'd like to try it cold to see if like it does bring out some of the citrus notes, because if it does, I might actually like it a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
But this is a wine. I feel like white wines, you don't really have the problem of, oh, do you need food for it? Do you need this? Do you need that? I do think like having a sweeter wine, a sweeter white, does go with like fresh produce. It goes with, seafood. It complements those things.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need them necessarily. You're not eating a piece of, lobster or calamari and going, oh, I need a white to cut the, I think it just complements all those foods. So this could be a really great wine. I don't mind it as much as I did the white sangria. That was too sweet for me.
Mm-hmm.
Even
this
though,
has a nice balance to it.
Yeah, and I wonder if it comes out even more as balanced. So
yeah, nice acidity, but off dry.
I stick with the 6.
6.5. Yeah. I think people would enjoy this. I think it's approachable. Not everyone likes a dry wine.
Right.
So I think this is a nice
But it's cool that we got to taste the wine from Greece.
Yeah. No. Yeah. I'm excited. It's a different region now.
First wine from Greece in 6 months. So.
Yeah.
Kind of crazy, right?
Yeah.
So.
Even when we got back from Greece, we didn't really go looking for any Greek wines or anything. So. But yeah.
Definitely. Well, thank you for watching day 12. We are at the halfway point officially. We're excited to see. I think we've had some really great wines. We've had a couple that are like, I'm
excited to see
the remainder.
It progress from here, and then to rate our top 3 or top 5. Yeah. Depending on how close it is.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
So.
Cool.
Well, thank you for watching day 12. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Oh, we didn't make our predictions. So now that we've had another white, I think we're going back to red.
Yeah. And
this time I say red from South America. I don't know where, but South American red.
I concur.
Okay. Cool.
We've been wrong in every single...
Well, actually, funny thing is I don't think we've been wrong. I think you keep guessing like a day behind. Like you've guessed, you're like, oh, I wonder if tomorrow's going to be a Chardonnay.
Yeah.
And then it's like 2 days ahead is a Chardonnay after that. And it's like, okay, so you're close. It's just like, what day are you actually guessing?
We're just off.
So, right.
Close, but no cigar.
Right.
So.
Red from South America.
I agree with that. I'm thinking, I would be shocked to see if there's more Italian wines in this box.
Right.
Like very surprised. I mean, we have 12 more days to go. So I think they're going to start throwing in some weird stuff at the end. And I'm curious to see what the final day is going to be.
Right.
Day 24.
Right.
If you make it till day 24, I feel like it's going to be a unique one.
Hopefully you make it till day 24.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Give us a couple thumbs up and all the other good stuff. We'll see you tomorrow for day 13. So, cheers.
Cheers.